Hi guys, if we eat pineapple every day, our bodies will become salty. Does pineapple help men? More like aroma or not? Today we will get to know you. Before going into details, let's see what pineapple has that fascinates so many people. Pineapple is a treasure trove of vitamins, mineral, and in particular, there's a secret weapon called bromelain. It's a proprietary enzyme found only in pineapples. A study on the US Department of Agriculture's database, it shows that in 100 grams of fresh pineapple, it's about 50 cal. 13 grams of hydrated carbon, 1.4 grams of fiber, 47 milligrams vitamin C, meet 53% of daily needs for the body. Pineapple also contains mangan, meets 40% of the body's needs. Then copper, potassium, and B vitamins like thiamine and folate. Not all pineapples have flavonoids. For those of you who drink or party, pineapple is the savior of the belly. As you just heard, bromelain is a proprietary enzyme contained in pineapples. It helps break down complex proteins, peptides, and amino acids. It makes the body easier to digest, helps the immune system fight off viral infections. Vitamin C is the body's protective shield. Especially in the cold season, bromelain also helps regulate the immune response. Balance inflammatory activity. A study, it shows that bromelain helps reduce the secretion of such inflammatory cytokines, and that helps the body fight infections more effectively to enjoy life. And the flavonoids in pineapple has the effect of reducing cells from free radicals. Recovery. Do you go to the gym and so eating pineapple old age pain? It might be like being equipped with a shield against minor illnesses. A study published in 2020. It shows that bromelain, when combined with other enzymes, will help relieve pain and swelling in lower back osteoarthritis, as effective as conventional painkillers. Bromelain also supports recovery from injury, reduce swelling and reduce bruising. And vitamin C in pineapple helps create collagen, increase toughness for bones and joints. It's like eating pineapples every day will help the body as regularly maintained. The fourth benefit of pineapple is to help children forever, like Marshall C.A. Don't think that only women need to be beautiful. You too. Pineapple has vitamin C, and this substance stimulates collagen production. Keep skin firm, reduce acne. Bromelain in pineapple helps reduce inflammation. Mango in pineapple meets 40% of the body's needs. Will help improve the tadpole's ability to move. Increase the chances of fertilization. Vitamin C and flavonoids. It helps protect the tadpole from free radicals. Helps improve blood flow to the strategic area. However, on the internet there are women or land communication that eating pineapple helps men's milk smell better. Is that right? There is no clear scientific evidence that pineapple helps change the taste. The taste of milk depends on lifestyle genes. It's not every pineapple. I eat pineapple every day. It still helps men be stronger. But is pineapple a miracle drug? Nothing in life is perfect, and neither is pineapple. Although the benefits are many, but eat pineapple every day. There are also some left sides, especially if you don't notice. It is very dangerous for the body. Let's see. The first is allergic mouth itching. A study by scientists in Taiwan. It shows that the middle is one of the most common allergenic fruits. Due to bromelain, irritation of the mouth or causing hives, oral allergy syndrome can occur when the body mistakes the protein in pineapple with HOA. Chalk causes scabies itching. So if the AA is allergic, you must definitely consult a doctor before eating. The third is that pineapple can interact with drugs. Bromelain is in pineapple. Help increase absorption of antibiotics, such as amoxicillin. Causes high levels of the drug in the blood. Will lead to dizzy fever. Bromelain will also thin the blood. Increased risk of bleeding. If you take anticoagulants like aspirin or warfarin, especially before surgery because of that. If you're taking medications, especially anticoagulants, you have to ask your doctor before you eat. The fourth is that pineapple is harmful to teeth and stomach. Because pineapples are acidic, eat a lot of easily worn tooth enamel. Teeth are easily damaged. Acid and bromelain can also irritate the stomach. Causes heartburn, especially eating when hungry. So if you have stomach ulcers or reflux, the more careful you have to be to protect your teeth, You should brush your teeth after eating, and in order not to hurt the stomach, do not eat pineapple while you are hungry. And finally, the risk of mushroom poisoning. In pineapples, there's usually a fungus called Candida tropicalis. If the pineapple is damaged, then the probability of this mushroom appearing is very high, and this fungus will cause diarrhea and hives. So when you clean the pineapple, you can't eat the bad pineapple. And cut your eyes deeply before you eat. So summing it up, does eating pineapple help the love more or not? In cyclists, it's been shown that bromelain only helps keep testosterone at a stable level, not significantly increased compared to normal people. So in short, pineapples are good for reproduction, but don't expect too much of it. If we want to be strong, we need to exercise, eat well, and live healthy. That's how you see it. Eating pineapple every day is really bad for men's health. From delicious digestion, strong resistance, to beautiful skin, heart healthy. Tadpoles swim well, but don't think of it as a panacea, or make you superhuman in a split second.